Hi everyone, please subscribe this Wikitech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications.
Hi everyone, this is TSM from Make It Tech. Hey guys, today let's do quickly unboxing of the smart bulb. So first of all guys, it's from the brand Smith. So at the front I have seen that it was certified with Wi-Fi RGB smart bulb, and guys it is a 10 watts bulb. So at the downside they have mentioned here I have the perfect ambience for every mode, which means we can switch to any color according to our mindset. So like that over here we have seen that they're saying that it was manufactured recently on July 2020, and also it's a 10 watts. Its base is B22 base, and also they mentioned here it was comes with made in India. So like that over here they're given here some options. The features. We can control the smart bulb from anywhere in the world by connecting to the internet. So the next option is saying that it comes with 16 million colors, so like the effects and also the scene. If you are functioning in the home, so you can put the color according to interest. So over here they're saying that what in the box. The first we have seen that smart RGB bulb, and the second one started guide and also system requirements, the stuffs, and also it's connected with only single band 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi band only. It does not work with 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi band. So finally guys, there was the apps available in the Play Store for Android as well as the iOS stores. We need to install those versions, those apps, and we need to use. So let's quickly open the box and let's see what's inside the contents in the box. So when we open the box, we have seen that there was instruction information booklet, so it will tell us how to use the bulb in the proper way. So it's just a kind of paperwork. So finally like that, here is the bulb itself. There was nothing more inside this card box. So finally here is the bulb what we are talking. It's from the brand Smith. So over here guys, they're saying that on the caution, do not use the bulb with the dimmers, so please note that. So finally I have put the bulb in the B22 base holder. So the setup was due in the Harrison card box. So let's get started. So well guys, finally as I told, I have just plugged the bulb into this Harrison box. Now it's time to take your mobile phone. So in mobile phone you tap on the Play Store. In Play Store just type SMITCH, which is the company of the smart bulb. So we need to install the app. So click on the installation. Once the installation has been finished, just open the app. So guys, the thing is we need to sign up this account. So just sign up with your existing Gmail. So finally after filling all the details, just click on the sign up option. So it's going to be updating. So account has been created successfully. After that we need to enter the details and click on the sign in option this time. So let's give all the permissions, allow all the time. So this is the user interface, looks like this. We need to select the bulb. We have testing this in the smart bulb now, so that's why I have selected the smart bulb. After that click on enter. Now it's asking us attach the bulb to the holder. So you guys have seen I have already attached it to the holder, so I was going to the next step. So guys, in this connection method we have two options. One is we should connect this bulb to the Wi-Fi router, or else we should connect this bulb to the mobile. So most of the people, you guys do not have Wi-Fi in your home, so that's why I was going to choose the second option by clicking on the connect bulb directly to the mobile phone. I have just tap on that option. So I was going to give the permissions by clicking on the allow. So after giving all the permissions, it was taking the start configuration. That's it guys, you have seen that message that pair was successfully done from our end. Now I want to turn off the bulb just like this by tapping on the turn off. You guys can see the bulb has been turned it off. If you want to turn on the bulb, just tap on the over here. The bulb has been turned it again. Now the thing is guys, I want to change the temperature. First of all I want to change the color to green color, bluish color like this. It's like a kind of violet, something like that. Maybe I don't know whether my DSLR can able to capture this one or not, but the color has been changed. I want to try another color just like this. See, I have just placed the red color like that, green color, I have just placed the green color. So pink color, we can choose the bulb according to our interest, and we can use any color over here. And also you can put the intensity of the light also over here by doing this option. So I put the bulb value to complete 0 level. This looks like this. Now I was going to use the minimum brightness level over here. So we have seen, now I was going to select the red color. So you have seen the red has been selected. So over here I have selected the blue color. See, the color was changed. Let me decrease the intensity a little bit, the brightness level. So at the time that DSLR can able to catch the colors. Now I want to try something like yellow color, just like this. So over here we have seen something, the temperature. So you can use the color temperature also according to your interest, guys. So like that, you have used this candle mode. So guys, I have just tap on the strobe mode. So when you select the strobe mode, the bulb will blink like this. And you can change the color also. Just I change the color to red color. You guys can check over, the red color was been popping up the colors like this. So there was a lot of options. We can use the random mode also. So if you select the random mode, the colors has been changes automatically yellow, red. I mean, the company claims that it can able to produce 16 million colors. So the colors has been selected automatically because we selected the random mode. So finally, the last page over the settings, we have the options like contact us, and also we can send email to them in case if we had any issues with this bulb. So guys, the thing is, this is one of the best bulb from the Smith company. It was, I think it's for value for the money. Its price is around 700 rupees, 1 rupee less than. So guys, finally, if you have any kind of specific questions, please just let me know in the comment section. So at the end of this video, I can say this one is the best and the value for the money. If you are interested to purchase the smart bulb, then definitely you need to look at this brand once. And the app also very user interference, and within just less than 1 second I can easily connect it to this app, to the bulb, smart bulb, and you can easily operate all the things from this mobile phone. I don't know whether this DSLR can able to capture the color production or not, but with my naked eye it was very good. It was working very perfect. So that's it in this video, guys. If you have any kind of specific questions, just let me in the comment section. I was very happy to assist you. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me. I see you in the next video very soon. Take care. Bye bye.